Okay. So we've got a needle that's not bent, and we're placing it in the machine facing the right direction. Let's see, our zigzag knob is at 0, stitch length. Alright, we'll set our tension there for medium. I just left the rotten thread that was in the bobbin case, that old white thread in there, and I need to thread the top of this machine. Stick a felt washer on here so we don't keep rubbing the finish off the top. Alright, we got a pigtail on the front here. Okay. That pigtail. Alright, and our guide on the needle bar is in place, so that's good. Good sign there. Thread our needle on the outside. Pick up the thread from down below, and we'll stick a piece of fabric under here. Right. Oh. Well, that's we have some severe tension issues. So this gold thread is the top thread, and it broke the lower thread, and then okay, I'm going to have to, that lower thread is completely toast. A lot of times you can use rotten thread in the bobbin because the bobbin isn't as bad, but yeah, that is completely toast. So I guess we'll set that bobbin aside, grab an empty one, and see if we can and this is going to be not the right size to fit on this machine, because class 15 bobbins have gotten real shoddy lately. Ooh, there we go. Nice metal one. That might do the trick. All right. Oh. That is the bobbin winder working. Cool. Alright. That doesn't feel bad as far as tension goes on the bobbin case, so I'll just pop that in place. And then I need to grab a different color thread for the top so I can easily spot my tension problems. And then we'll make sure that this is going between the tension discs. And I turned the... okay. Alright. Checked it to make sure I had tension when I released the presser foot. So... throw our piece of fabric under here. Oh. So that tension is more or less correct. Let's go for adjusting our zigzag to its widest point. Now the top tension is a little high. There we go. The black thread was our top thread, and as we look along the zigzag, it didn't skip any stitches left to right. I turned it down a little bit, and it ended up a little bit soft for top tension, but it made a decent stitch, and it didn't skip any left to right stitches. So I think this Kenmore is ready to go. The only thing I need to do is cut that rotten thread off of this bobbin. So I'm gonna grab a knife and cut that thread off this bobbin, but I think otherwise that is that for this machine.